Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video. And if you are with this video, it means your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. You have tried to a lots of a video to unlock your smartphone, but still now your are not a success here to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry, at all the new method what is the going to give you in this video. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. You can see here this video a smartphone video 100% definitely to phone has been this unlocked is locked to due to forgotten a pattern lock, and somebody has locked this phone and forgotten its password. So you may also use these methods and see the your phone is locked and see the phone locked and methods. So unlock your smartphone, but this method is non an offline unlocking method. So firstly you will be have a switch off a phone and smarter the new words. Before I start this method on more think, I would you also to will tell you may friend that this method fully completely on the offline mode. So firstly your phone has battery should be charges, and at least otherwise whatever data you will you have in your smartphone charge at a time using this unlocking. You have to open your emergency call option and see the emergency call option. When this page of comes your on your mobile, now after come to important codes, you will have to fits and a special US code which will your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and this used to code this page. So see the all important for the coded to see to swipe up and see the emergency call button, click and dial to very important US code. The star has 899 and has clicked to come to engineer mode page, and fourth number manual test button, click the manual test button, click and scroll scroll and come to divide the page and click a gyroscope. See the data display. To wait for one. So your system is this phone is unlocked for system. The control R window R to come and dial the tree dial and to dial tree, and after the see the USB for mobile charging to connected the mobile. To connect to mobile your data cable, and data cable click and dial the tree to work to and click this time see the backward the phone is unlocked and see the data is entered for this side. So see this side work and 31 the completed. After this phone data cable remove and see the last is data cable removed. So this phone is unlocked 100%. How to check this phone is unlocked or not? So click between the home button. See, click between the home button. Click. See, this phone is very easily unlocked. All data is available. So this phone is unlocked, and see all data is available. No any data app, no any app deleted. All day app is available. So no any app delete. All app is available. So this phone is very easily unlocked, and your phone is unlocked. So please subscribe the channel and video like. Thanks for watching.